Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Frentle. Here are today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi remembers the brave hearts of the 26/11 Mumbai attack in Mann Ki Baat program, says India is crushing terrorism with determination. Meghalaya celebrates Constitution Day along with the rest of the country to mark the adoption of the Indian Constitution. 15 films from across the globe compete for the prestigious Golden Peacock Award at the 54th International Film Festival of India. Latankra Assamese Secondary School's NCC cadets commemorate 75th NCC Day. And 1,441 people participate in the Assam Rifles Half Marathon on Sunday. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today paid homage to the people who lost their lives in the 26/11 Mumbai terror attacks. Addressing the nation in his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani, Modi said the nation can never forget this day, the 26th of November, as it was on this very day that the country had come under the most dastardly terror attack. He asserted that it is India's fortitude that made the country surmount the ordeal, and India is now quelling terror with full ardour. He added that the country remembers those brave hearts who made the supreme sacrifice during the attack. Meanwhile, President Draupadi Murmu and Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar also paid homage to the brave souls who lost their lives in the 26/11 terror attacks.
भूल नहीं सकते हैं आज के ही दिन देश पर सबसे जघन्य आतंकी हमला हुआ था। आतंकियों ने मुंबई को, पूरे देश को थर्रा कर रख दिया था। लेकिन ये भारत का सामर्थ्य है कि हम उस हमले से उबरे और अब पूरे हौसले के साथ आतंक को कुचल भी रहे हैं। मुंबई हमले में अपना जीवन गंवाने वाले सभी लोगों को मैं श्रद्धांजलि देता हूं। इस हमले में हमारे जो जांबाज वीरगति को प्राप्त हुए, देश आज उन्हें याद कर रहा है।
Constitution Day is being celebrated across the country today. Every year, the 26th of November is celebrated as Constitution Day to mark the adoption of the Indian Constitution by the Constituent Assembly. The Constituent Assembly of the country formally adopted the Constitution on this day in 1949, which came into force on the 26th of January 1950. In 2015, the government decided to celebrate this day to promote constitutional values among citizens. On this occasion, President Draupadi Murmu unveiled the father of the Constitution, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar's statue in the Supreme Court today. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah extended their best wishes to the countrymen on the occasion of Constitution Day. The Prime Minister expressed confidence that together the nation shall certainly attain the resolve of a developed India according to the priority of the citizens' duties. In Goa, 15 films from across the globe are competing for the prestigious Golden Peacock Award, the highest honour at the 54th International Film Festival of India. Out of these, 3 are Indian films and 12 international movies. 3 Indian movies vying for the award are Rishabh Shetty's directed Kannada film Kantara, Sudhanshu Sarya's directed Hindi film Sana, and Mirbeen, a Karbi language film from Assam directed by Mridul Gupta. Foreign movies in this section include Polish-Swedish drama Woman of Israeli film The Other Widow, French feature film The Party of Fools, German film Measures of Men, and an Italian-Swiss drama Lubo. This carefully curated selection of outstanding films represent a diverse array of genres, styles and cultural practices, reflecting the depth of the global film landscape. This award is given to the best film adjudged by a jury comprising veterans in the cinema industry. In a solemn ceremony held at the Raj Bhavan, Shillong, Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas, was observed today, marking the adoption of the Constitution of India by the Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949. The gathering, led by Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan and Manipur Governor Anusuya Uike, along with officers and staff of Raj Bhavan, assembled in the Darbar Hall and took the Constitution Day oath, reciting the preamble aloud, reaffirming their commitment to the ideals enshrined in the supreme document. In 2015, Prime Minister Narendra Modi designated November 26th as Constitution Day while laying the cornerstone for the B.R. Ambedkar Statue of Equality Memorial in Mumbai. This decision coincided with the 125th birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the architect of the Indian Constitution. A police escort vehicle in Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma's entourage was involved in an accident in Upper Shillong on Saturday morning while he was travelling to Dauki for an official event. The incident occurred at 9:30 am when a Mahindra pickup truck travelling in the opposite direction collided with the pilot car, resulting in minor damage to both vehicles. Both the Chief Minister and other members of the entourage were unharmed. UDP leader and Nongpo MLA Meral Bon Siem said that the people of the state must be more welcoming to outsiders while the government aims to promote tourism in the state. CM said while the state is bestowed with beautiful places, first the mindset needs to change and people need to be more welcoming. He said that when tourists visit the state, they come to invest money, and from taxi drivers to shopkeepers and guest house owners, everyone benefits from tourism. Hence, the people have to clear their mindset and be more hospitable to tourists. Stating that the tourism sector is very important for the state's growth, CAM urged different societies and localities to engage with the government and take advantage of entrepreneurial schemes of the government to promote tourism.
First, our mindset. We have to welcome others because tourists, when they come here, they come to invest. They come to invest. They will come for 2, 3 days or 5 days. After that, they will go back. They will come here, they will spend as per the budget that they will have. Who will benefit? With the taxi driver, auto driver, or the shopkeepers, tea stall, petty shopkeepers, guest house owner, all this will be benefited out of this. And then different aspect of earning is there. So we have to clear our mindset first, that we have to welcome people with good gesture, with hospitality. This is very important.
On the commemoration of the 75th NCC Day, Lightenkra Assamese Secondary School's NCC cadets led by Ano Sangeeta Chakraborty under 2 Meghalaya Battalion Shillong engaged in a meaningful social service initiative. The cadets conducted a heartfelt outreach in economically disadvantaged areas, including Shani Mandir and the vicinity of Motpran. Demonstrating both compassion and responsibility, the cadets prepared homemade meals and distributed it among the less fortunate children and homeless individuals. This altruistic act not only brought joy to the recipients, but also instilled valuable lessons in the cadets, teaching them the importance of not wasting food and fostering love and care for those in need. The excitement of the children in participating in this noble endeavour reflects a promising step towards a more compassionate and responsible society. Anglers from diverse locales converged at the tranquil Taljawa Lake in Kumaligaon for a thrilling fishing competition orchestrated by the local community. The pursuit of the elusive shoalfish unfolded against the breathtaking backdrop of southwest Garo Hills, renowned for its rich aquatic biodiversity. The competition reached its pinnacle with a remarkable 3.466 kilogram shoalfish, clinching first prize and a cash reward of 6 lakh rupees for burning CH Marak from Sangini area, Dapgre, Tura. The event, featuring an entry fee of 3,000 rupees, offered substantial cash prizes, with second, third and fourth prizes amounting to 3 lakhs rupees, 1.5 lakh rupees and 75,000 rupees respectively. The prize distribution ceremony celebrated the triumphs of the winners, highlighting not only their angling prowess but also the camaraderie fostered among participants. Amid expressions of joy and gratitude, the competitors emphasized the thrill of the competition and the significance of promoting eco-friendly practices in such events. The success of this angling extravaganza showcased not just the prowess of the participants but also underscored the importance of sustainable practices. The event's triumph is poised to inspire future angling enthusiasts to explore the uncharted beauty of Southwest Garo Hills and its aquatic wonders. The Assam Rifles organized the third edition of the half marathon on Sunday at the headquarters of the Directorate General Assam Rifles, Light Corps, Shillong, to promote the Fit India movement. The run was open for all aged above 18 years, both men and women. Adding a cutting edge to the competition, seasoned cross-country runners from across the country took part in the physical and virtual mode in the mega event and presented a challenge to the runners of the armed forces and CAPFs. The run was divided into two categories of 21 kilometers and 10 kilometers each, having its own age groups. A total of 747 people participated in the 21 kilometer half marathon, 694 in the 10 kilometer run. Meghalaya Governor Fagu Chauhan, who graced the occasion as the chief guest, appreciated the enthusiasm and spirit of the participants and the spectators. The governor handed over prizes to the winners of 21 kilometer category. The runners of the 21 kilometer category in the various age groups included 290 in 18 to 30, 119 in 30 to 40, and 123 in 40 to 50, and 135 in the over 50-year category. Under the 30 years category, Amphius Nongrum emerged as the winner in the 21 kilometer run, and Banda Sharai Marwe was the winner in the female category. In the 10 kilometer run, Yok Borlang Nongspung was the winner in the male category, and Marqueen Les Ramsey was the winner in the female category. The intense action of the 7th Elite Men's National Boxing Championship delivered as promised on the first day of the prestigious event at the Sai Indoor Hall on Saturday. There are a total of 398 boxers from 37 states, territories and sports boards across 13 categories. The 25th November to 1st December Championship, organized by the Meghalaya Boxing Association and BFI and sponsored by the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, was declared open by the chief guest, Secretary General of the Boxing Federation of India, Hemanta Kumar Kalita. Speaking at the inauguration ceremony, Kalita conveyed his heartfelt thanks to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and his government for hosting this prestigious event. He informed that the medal winners will go to a national box coaching camp, and those boxers who are in the Olympic weight categories will then travel to Italy for the Olympic qualifiers. Director of Sports and Youth Affairs Isawanda Lalu said it is a unique opportunity for the state boxers to showcase their talent and learn from the best. The organizers also felicitated Meghalaya boxers turned coaches like Torak Kharprang and Roshni Bhusal, who have both coached Indian national pugilists. 3 Meghalayan pugilists were involved yesterday, unfortunately all on the losing side. And now for a quick look at the weather. The maximum temperature was 22 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 9.6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 33%, rising marginally to 58% in the evening. The forecast tells us dry weather with shallow to moderate fog is very likely at isolated places. And now for a quick look at today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi remembers the brave hearts of the 26/11 Mumbai attack in Mann Ki Baat program. says India is crushing terrorism with determination. Meghalaya celebrates Constitution Day along with the rest of the country to mark the adoption of the Indian Constitution. 15 films from across the globe compete for the prestigious Golden Peacock Award at the 54th International Film Festival of India. Lightenkra Assami Secondary School's NCC cadets commemorate 75th NCC Day. 1,441 people participate in the Assam Rifles Half Marathon on Sunday. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching.